Cutting across to a breaking update that's coming in, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is chairing a high-level meet with the three service chiefs and also with the Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. This meet is currently underway. There is a discussion on what's happening at the line of actual control. Remember, the situation at this point is still very, very volatile. So it will be important to see what is the outcome of this particular meeting. Rajnath Singh currently chairing this meet where you've got the three service chiefs present and also the Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Abhishek Bhalla is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, just tell us who all are a part of this meet. Very, very crucial, considering that there will no doubt be a detailed discussion on what is going to be the way forward at the line of actual control.
Every detail is being very, very closely discussed, Akshita. In fact, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is currently in a meeting with the Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, three service chiefs. It's not just, what I'm told, it's not just the current situation in Ladakh, but, a larger oversight on the India-China border that is being discussed at various levels, I've been told, because, the situation is such that, one cannot rule out escalations in other sectors. While the eastern Ladakh sector and specifically Galwan has been the focus after this violent clash in which 20 Indian soldiers have been confirmed dead. But as far as the situation is concerned, things could be getting out of hand in other sectors as well. That's the reason why other sectors along the line of actual control have been put on an alert. And, the situation is tense across the LAC. The Defence Minister has been conducting these meetings since yesterday. In fact, yesterday there were at least two meetings that he conducted, and then he also, met the Prime Minister along with the other senior ministers. So the security establishment watching developments very closely and all updates being given to the Prime Minister himself, because this is a very sensitive matter and the situation has been described as extremely volatile by those privy to the developments.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.